Alright, I have three pieces of equipment here. I have a level, I have my Dremel tool with an attachment in there, and I'll show you more detail on that in a second. And I have a piece I'm going to be cutting for my back. Now, the light out here is pretty bright, so I doubt you can see it. But what I've already done, I've already made some marks using a Sharpie where I want to cut these detail lines that I'm about to show you how to do. And I'm going to... This is more than a two-handed operation, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the camera off to Cambot, and Cambot's going to take over for me. So, and I hope you can see this. Anyway, what I've done is I've put a sharpening attachment in my Dremel tool along with this little guide piece here. And if you take a look, it's set up so that the depth of cut is about maybe about a third of the way through the foam. And what I'm going to do now, very, very simple, is I'm going to take the Dremel tool and I'm going to line up the bit with the first mark that I made and just go ahead and just bump the level right up against it. Then I'm going to try to get a rough parallel shot here. And then, let's see, I need to swing that level in just a hair down at that end. And that's looking pretty good, I think. And maybe a hair more. Yeah. So, here we go. You definitely want to wear a dust mask for this. You definitely want to do this outdoors because this will create a lot of fine dust. And I'm turning this sucker up to 8. And here we go. Just going to rest it right on the foam, right up against the level, and here we go. And after you make your cut, just go back and forth through it a few times. And that'll help clean up the crud that's in there. And that is what you get. Now again, you got those little rubber bits on the edge, but those pull pretty off pretty cleanly with your fingers. I haven't really found a good way to do it, except maybe using sandpaper. You could experiment, of course, see what you get. But as you see there, you got the light right behind it. That's a nice, deep, very clean on the bottom cut. And again, the reason I use this level as a straight edge, I suck at freehanding. So with that, I think that's it. Hi, everybody out there. You finally get to see my face. Cambot, I think we're out.